serious now. Meanwhile, politics escalates over the weight of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Breaking news right there, which we will track very closely. Well, the Delhi Raj Niwas has written to the Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar regarding the health status of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. As per the prison superintendent report, the LG has expressed concern on the non-consumption of the prescribed medical diet and medication that has been given to the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, Virendra Sachdeva, that's the BJP president of Delhi, has also issued a statement on Kejriwal's health status. Let us now cut across.
अरविंद केजरीवाल शराब घोटाले के मास्टरमाइंड, उनके एक और षड्यंत्र का पर्दाफाश हुआ है। तिहाड़ जेल के सुपरिटेंडेंट की चिट्ठी अब सार्वजनिक हो चुकी है। इसमें स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिन्हें घर का भोजन दिया जाता है माननीय न्यायालय के निर्देश के द्वारा, वो जानबूझकर लो कैलोरी फूड ले रहे हैं, खाने की मात्रा कम कर रहे हैं। 6 जून से 13 जुलाई के बीच लगातार अपनी डाइट को कम कर रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से वजन कम हो जाए और वो सहानुभूति न्यायालय के सामने रख सके कि मुझे तो बेल चाहिए, जेल में मेरा वजन कम होगा। मैं हैरान हूं, जितने दिन वो बेल पर थे 21 दिन तक लगातार उन्होंने दिल्ली में प्रचार किया, सुबह से शाम मेहनत की, दौड़ते रहे, सब जगह बात करते रहे, तब उनकी तबीयत बिल्कुल ठीक थी। लेकिन जेल जाने से 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने स्वांग रचना शुरू किया कि मेरी तो तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। और वही 6 जून से 13 जुलाई के बीच तिहाड़ जेल में दिखाई दे रहा है कि घर से खाना आता है बनकर, लेकिन खाते नहीं है, कम कर देते हैं ताकि किसी तरह से वजन कम हो जाए। और ये 2 किलो वजन जो कम हुआ है उसका मूल रूप से कारण यही है। और तो और इंसुलिन अब जेल में मिल रही है। पहले इंसुलिन की शिकायत थी, लेकिन 7 जून को रात्रि भोजन से पहले 4 यूनिट इंसुलिन चाहिए थी इनको, लेने से मना कर दिया कि किसी तरह से मेरी तबीयत खराब है। इस तरह का षड्यंत्र तो एक अपराधी जो बहुत ही मास्टरमाइंड हो वो रच सकता है, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल तिहाड़ जेल में रच रहे हैं कि किसी तरह से अपनी खराब सेहत का बहाना लेकर मुझे बेल मिल जाए। सारे तथ्य माननीय न्यायालय और जांच एजेंसी के समक्ष जाएंगे, लेकिन मैं हैरान हूं कि शराब घोटाले में इतना बड़ा घोटाला करने वाले।
Well, that was the BJP president of Delhi, Virendra Sachdeva. We heard him there alleging conspiracy by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal regarding not maintaining his health as per the reports and the prescriptions. Joining us right now is our correspondent Shubh. Shubh, how is the Aam Aadmi Party right now looking at the controversy and, of course, the allegations that have been leveled by the Delhi BJP president Virendra Sachdeva on Arvind Kejriwal? And this is not, of course, the first time when there has been a conspiracy and also the allegations against it by the BJP as far as the health of Delhi Chief Minister and AAP convener is concerned.
Yes, definitely, Simran. This is not absolutely the first time when there have been war of words between the LG, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, because this time again Arvind Kejriwal's health is the talk of the town. And if we talk about Arvind Kejriwal's health, Aam Aadmi Party, Rajya Sabha Sansad Sanjay Singh have taken a jib out of LG. VK Saxena, they have been saying that if the LG have been so much concerned, he might take action for that, because definitely he won when Arvind Kejriwal was set behind the bars. There have been politics over his food, over his not giving insulin, and now the weight loss is being the talk of the town, because this time Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party are both in the battle, and they have been saying, if I talk about Aam Aadmi Party, Atishi have made a statement that Arvind Kejriwal may go in coma, and this is a big claim by Aam Aadmi Party leaders, because they have been saying that 8 times the instance have occurred when Arvind Kejriwal's sugar levels have decreased by the level of 50, which is very alarming. Whereas the Bharatiya Janata Party have been claiming that Arvind Kejriwal is allegedly not taking insulin in the jail, because Simran, when there was a battle for insulin when Aam Aadmi Party have reached at the Tihaड़ jail for providing insulin to Arvind Kejriwal. But now the new claim made by the Raj Niwas and the Bharatiya Janata Party have been said that Arvind Kejriwal is now not taking insulin because he wants to come out of jail. And definitely Aam Aadmi Party have been saying that since Arvind Kejriwal went on to the jail, his weight was 70 kilograms, but now he is his weight at 61 kilogram. Therefore, 8.5 kilograms have been reduced, and there have been politics around the weight, the insulin, and now the new status have been coming in which they have been saying that no proper, he have not been taking food, although home food have been given to him. But Aam Aadmi Party have been on its nerve and been continuously saying that there have been a planning to kill the CM Arvind Kejriwal.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.